Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bacon on a Blackstone griddle. First, preheat your griddle to a medium-low setting, aiming for about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. A clean, lightly oiled surface is key for perfect bacon. Take your bacon slices and separate them carefully, getting them ready for the griddle. This initial setup ensures even cooking and delicious results every time. Let's get cooking. Once your griddle is ready, lay the bacon strips flat, making sure they don't overlap. Cook each side for about 3 to 5 minutes, adjusting the time based on how crispy you like your bacon. For a flatter, more uniformly cooked slice, consider using a griddle press. This helps render the fat evenly and prevents curling. Keep an eye on it to prevent burning. To get that perfect crispness, you might need to adjust your griddle's heat slightly. Don't be afraid to turn it down if the bacon is cooking too fast. Remember to periodically push any excess bacon grease into the griddle's grease trap. This prevents the bacon from frying in too much fat. Flipping the bacon often also helps achieve even browning and a consistent, crispy texture. When your bacon reaches that ideal level of crispness, it's time to remove it from the griddle. Transfer the cooked bacon to a plate lined with paper towels. This simple step helps absorb any remaining excess grease, making your bacon even more enjoyable. Serve it up right away and savor the delicious, perfectly cooked bacon from your Blackstone griddle. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.